Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we are going to understand NCR Control Procedure.
In our previous videos, we have already covered role of a QA/QC engineer, QA engineer documents, project quality plan, PQP, quality manual, quality policy, and quality objectives. Now it's time to understand how quality problems are identified, controlled, and closed. Let's start with NCR.
What is NCR? NCR stands for Non-Conformance Report. A non-conformance is a condition where work, material, process does not comply with approved drawings, specifications, codes and standards, project requirements. What is NCR Control Procedure? NCR Control Procedure is a systematic method used to identify non-conformances, report non-conformances, investigate root causes, implement corrective actions, verify effectiveness, close NCRs. It ensures quality issues are properly controlled and resolved. Why NCR control is important. Without proper NCR control, projects may face repeated quality issues, poor workmanship, rework and delays, client dissatisfaction, audit nonconformities. NCR Control Procedure helps maintain project quality and compliance. Objective of NCR Control Procedure. The main objectives of NCR Control Procedure are identify non-conforming work, prevent use of defective work, ensure corrective actions are taken, avoid recurrence of problems, improve overall quality system. Scope of NCR control. NCR Control Procedure applies to construction activities, materials and equipment, installation works, testing and inspection, internal and external audits. It applies to all stages of the project. Types of NCRs. Common types of NCRs include internal NCR, external NCR, client NCR, consultant NCR, audit NCR. All NCRs must be controlled in a structured manner. NCR control responsibility. NCR control responsibility usually lies with QA/QC engineer, QA/QC manager, project manager, discipline engineers. Roles are clearly defined in the roles and responsibilities matrix. NCR lifecycle. Every NCR follows these stages: identification, NCR issuance, root cause analysis, corrective action, verification, NCR closure. Let's understand each step. Identification of nonconformance. Nonconformance is identified during site inspections, material inspections, testing activities, audits. Any deviation from requirements is considered a nonconformance. NCR issuance. Once a nonconformance is identified, NCR is raised, NCR number is assigned, description of issue is recorded, reference documents are mentioned, NCR is issued to the responsible party. NCR description content. A typical NCR includes NCR number, date, location, description of non-conformance, reference drawings, specifications, responsible department. Root cause analysis. Root cause analysis is performed to identify why the nonconformance occurred, system or process failures. Methods may include YY analysis, fishbone diagram. This step is critical to prevent recurrence. Corrective action. Corrective action focuses on rectifying the nonconforming work, repair, replacement, or rework, approval of corrective method. Corrective action must be documented and implemented. Prevention of repeat NCR. To avoid repeat NCRs, procedures may be updated, training may be conducted, controls may be strengthened. This improves the quality management system. Verification of corrective action. After corrective action, QA/QC verifies the work, inspection or testing is repeated, compliance is confirmed, only verified actions move to closure. NCR closure. NCR is closed when corrective action is completed, verification is satisfactory, client or consultant approval is obtained if required. Closed NCRs are recorded for future reference. NCR log, register. All NCRs are tracked using an NCR log, which includes NCR number, status, responsible party, closure date. This helps monitor quality performance. Control of open NCRs. Open NCRs are monitored regularly to ensure timely closure, avoid accumulation of NCRs, maintain project quality. Open NCRs can affect project progress. ISO 9001 requirement. ISO 9001 requires organizations to control non-conforming outputs, take corrective actions, evaluate effectiveness. NCR Control Procedure fulfills this requirement. Common NCR examples. Common NCRs at site include work not as per drawings, material without approval, improper installation, failed inspection or test. Practical site example. NCR practical example is concrete poured without approved mix design. Result, NCR raised, root cause analyzed, corrective action implemented. This prevents future repetition. Relation with other QA/QC procedures. NCR Control Procedure works closely with Document Control Procedure, Record Control Procedure, Corrective and Preventive Action Procedure, Internal Audit Procedure. It strengthens the entire QA/Q system. In the next video, we will clearly explain Corrective and Preventive Action Procedure and how quality issues are permanently eliminated. If this video helped you understand NCR Control Procedure in a simple and practical way, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents. Thank you.